Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a mind-bending conspiracy theory. What if dark matter is actually a cloaking device? I mean, we can't see it, can't touch it, but we know it's out there, holding galaxies together. That sounds like something straight out of Star Trek, right? But what if it's not science fiction? What if there's more to this cosmic mystery than meets the eye? Imagine a universe where advanced alien civilizations are lurking in the shadows, hidden from our view by technology so advanced, we mistake it for a fundamental force of nature. Buckle up, space explorers, because we're about to explore the tantalizing possibility that dark matter isn't just invisible matter. It's the ultimate cosmic camouflage. We like to think we're pretty clever, but what if we're just toddlers in a cosmic playground ruled by beings millions of years ahead of us? I'm talking about civilizations so advanced they've transcended our understanding of physics and engineering. These aren't your UFO sighting, crop circle making aliens. We're talking about beings who can manipulate the very fabric of space-time. Now, imagine these hyper-advanced aliens need a way to keep their existence under wraps. Maybe they're peaceful explorers, or maybe they're galactic conquerors. Either way, they'd want to avoid unwanted attention. What better way to do that than to cloak themselves within a substance that makes up 85% of the universe's mass? It'd be like hiding a tree in a forest, except the forest is dark matter and the tree is an entire civilization. Let's go one step further down this rabbit hole. You know about the Kardashev scale, right? It's a way to measure a civilization's technological advancement based on their energy consumption. Type 1 civilizations control their planet's energy, Type 2 A star's energy, and Type 3, they've graduated to galactic levels of energy. Now imagine a Type 3 civilization, practically gods in our eyes, decides they want to build a giant cosmic fortress, a Dyson sphere, but instead of harnessing a star's energy, it masks their entire civilization. They'd need some serious cloaking tech, right? Tech that could bend light, warp space-time, and maybe even mess with our observations of gravity. What if dark matter isn't some mysterious particle, but the byproduct of this galaxy-scale cloaking system? We see it all the time, gravitational lensing. It's like a cosmic magnifying glass, where massive objects bend the path of light around them. But what if the lensing we're seeing isn't caused by some invisible mass, but by deliberate manipulation of gravity itself? Think about it. To truly cloak something on a cosmic scale, you'd need to control the very force that governs the universe. Advanced aliens could be warping space-time around their planets, starships, or even entire galaxies, creating distortions that we misinterpret as dark matter. It'd be the perfect camouflage. We'd see the gravitational effect, but not the source. It's like trying to find a ghost in a haunted house. You can feel their presence, but you can never quite catch them in the act. Okay, let's get a little meta here. We've all heard of the zoo hypothesis, right? The idea that advanced aliens are aware of us but choose to observe us from afar, like animals in a cosmic zoo. But what if we've got it all wrong? What if it's not about non-interference, but about deliberate concealment? Imagine, they've been here all along, architects of the universe as we know it. They've seeded planets, guided evolution, and maybe even sprinkled in a few black holes for good measure. Dark matter, in this scenario, isn't just a cloaking device. It's a cosmic fence, keeping us safely tucked away in our little corner of the universe until we're ready for the big reveal. Now, I'm a scientist at heart, and I have to acknowledge that the mainstream scientific explanation for dark matter is, well, not quite as exciting. Astrophysicists believe it's some form of matter that doesn't interact with light or electromagnetism, hence the dark part. We're talking about weakly interacting massive particles, or WIMPs for short. But hey, even scientists love a good mystery. And while the idea of dark matter as a cloaking device is highly speculative, it's a fun thought experiment that pushes the boundaries of our imagination. It forces us to confront the vastness of the unknown and ask ourselves, just how much don't we know about the universe? And what else might be lurking out there hidden in plain sight? So what do you think? Could this be the ultimate cosmic cover-up? Is dark matter really just a giant do not disturb sign for a galaxy-spanning civilization? Or are we letting our imaginations run wild with this one? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing theories.